Hello and welcome to the training module of Direct PCR Kit. In this module, we are going to learn what is Direct PCR, Introduction to Direct PCR, Overview of the kits, Advantages, Direct PCR technology, Qualifying your customers, Handling objections, Closing the sale. Direct PCR eliminates the need for DNA purification prior to PCR. Allows PCR directly from liquid or solid starting material. 4 different kits optimized and validated with variety of starting material. These kits are used for blood, plant, animal tissue, and human specimen. The key of direct PCR is the unique fusion technology. A DNA binding domain is fused to a pyrococcus like proofreading polymerase. Due to this unique fusion technique, fusion DNA polymerases generate PCR products with accuracy and speed unattainable with a single enzyme, even on the most difficult templates. In addition, fusion DNA polymerases are tolerant of various PCR inhibitors. This allows robust amplification with minimal optimization. For hot start PCR, fusion hot start to high fidelity DNA polymerase is an ideal choice, allowing extreme specificity and improved robustness. PCR kits follow 2 simple workflows. Shown in top pathway is a direct protocol. A small sample added to the PCR reaction with no processing whatsoever. These PCR reactions can be placed directly in the thermal cycler. It's extremely fast and convenient. Second workflow, shown in bottom pathway, involves taking slightly larger sample and putting into small amount of dilution buffer, and all part of dilution buffer can be used directly in PCR reaction. This protocol is suitable for the cases where multiple PCR reactions are to be run from single sample, or sample should be saved for future reference. The direct PCR approach is simpler, faster, and more economical than traditional PCR and DNA isolation process. Traditional DNA isolation approaches involve numerous steps required for cell lysis homogenization, chromatography, spin column, chemical interaction, and number of other steps are required before the PCR can be performed. This protocol is very long and more expensive. Extraction buffer method is simpler but more expensive than thermoscientific direct PCR approach. We have 4 types of direct PCR kits. 1. Fusion blood direct PCR kit. 2. Fire plant direct PCR kit. 3. Animal tissue. And 4. Human specimen direct PCR kit. Use of Harris Unicore. Remove the protecting cap from Harris Unicore plunger. Press the cutting edge into the sample, rotating in to cut completely through. Press the plunger to eject the sample directly into the PCR reaction. Clean the plunger by dipping into the sodium hypochlorite solution. Press the plunger up and down several times and then dry with paper towel. This process may be repeated for additional samples. Thermoscientific Fusion Blood Direct PCR Kit. An optimized PCR kit for performing PCR directly from blood samples with no prior DNA purification. Utilizes a modified thermoscientific fusion hot start to high fidelity DNA polymerase. Suitable for application like target checking, genotyping, mutation detection, pathogen detection. Fusion Blood Direct PCR Kit comes with everything needed to perform PCR directly from blood. It comes in 2-pack sizes of 100 reactions and 500 reactions with 1-year expiry. Advantages of Blood Direct PCR Kit. Validated with whole blood from a variety of vertebrate species: human, mouse, pig, dog, cat, cow, horse, and birds. Tolerates up to 35 to 40% of blood present in PCR. Works with whole blood stored at room temperature, +4 degrees Celsius, -20 degrees Celsius, or spotted onto Whatman FDA 903 cards. Superior features of fusion DNA polymerase: 15 to 30 seconds per kb extension, 25 times stack fidelity, amplifies GC-rich amplicons, tolerates PCR inhibitors. Universal control primer mix included. Thermo Scientific Fusion Human Specimen Direct PCR Kit. An optimized PCR kit for performing PCR directly from human specimen and FFPE samples with no prior DNA purification. This kit has been tested and validated to give excellent result on several human specimens and wide variety of human tissue. The kits include everything needed to perform PCR directly from human sample. Kit comes with pack of 200 reaction. Advantages of Human Specimen Direct PCR Kit. No sample handling needed with direct protocol. Liquid and solid sample materials can be used directly as a PCR template. Dilution protocol does not require the use of commercial DNA extraction buffers. Suitable for the widest selection of human samples. Modified Fusion Hotstar 2 High Fidelity DNA Polymerase. 15 second per kb extension time. 25 times TAC DNA polymerase fidelity. Also suitable for long PCR amplicons. Example, 7.5 kb. Tolerates well PCR inhibitors present in sample materials. The shortest protocols in the market for PCRs from human samples. Improved performance over commercial DNA extraction buffers and DNA purification kits combined with TAC PCR. Cost of optimized PCR reagents only. Thermo Scientific Fire Animal Tissue Direct PCR Kit. This kit includes everything needed to perform efficient and robust PCR directly from wide variety of storing materials with sample handling tools and control primer mix. Animal tissue kit tested with many different materials and species. Genotyping a very potential application. Advantages of Animal Tissue Direct PCR Kit. Thermo Scientific Fire Hotstar DNA Polymerase. SSO 7D Fusion Protein Technology. 20 seconds per kb extension time. High inhibitor tolerance. Tested with several animal tissue materials. Direct and dilution protocols. Optimized 2 times fire animal tissue PCR buffer. No DNA purification or extraction buffers. Universal control primers and DNA release included. Harris Unicore and cutting mat for sampling. Superior performance over competing methods. Cost of optimized PCR reagents only. Thermo Scientific Fire Plant Direct PCR Kit. This kit includes everything needed to perform efficient and robust PCR directly from wide variety of plant materials with sample handling tools and control primer mix. Plant Direct PCR Kit is tested with many different materials and species. Advantages of Plant Direct PCR Kit. Thermo Scientific Fire Hot Start to DNA Polymerase. Fusion Protein Technology. 20 seconds per kb extension time. High inhibitor tolerance. Tested with numerous leaves, seeds, flowers and fungi. Direct and dilution PCR protocols. No DNA purification or extraction buffers. Harris Unicore and cutting mat for sampling. Controlled primer mix. Cost of PCR reagents only. How to locate product in price book. Open the contained page in soft copy of price book. Click the required brand like Finzymes. Then new page will open. Then click product group like direct PCR kit in contained page of Finzymes. Automatically new page will open and you will be able to locate the product and price. Who are our target customers? The ideal customer profile. Anyone working with a large number of biological samples who needs to perform genotyping. Who requires multiplexing often. Anyone that would like to or could combine the DNA isolation or purification step with the PCR reaction. Anyone who needs to run many reactions from the same sample or archive for future use. Anyone doing the same genotyping reactions many times. Anyone who is having trouble with their genotyping reactions and is willing to look to alternatives to get better results. Anyone whose primers are not working well. Anyone who has a reaction failure. Or anyone who has poor quality template are our target customers for direct PCR kits. Who is not our customer? Anyone doing gene expression analysis like qPCR, RNA-based, rather than genotyping like PCR, DNA-based are not our customers. Anyone who does not want to take any time to re-optimize their reaction for new polymerases and or reaction conditions or labs that need to archive pure DNA in larger quantities are not our customers. The customer who does the PCR has some pain points like, if customer asks, I need to run multiple PCR reactions to get all my markers. We can address this pain point with feature, the kit can be optimized for multiplex PCR reactions. Customer pain point. I have to go through a lengthy DNA isolation and cleanup process before I can run my PCR reactions. No, you can directly process the blood, tissue, seeds or FFPE samples. Customer pain point. I have a significant number of specimens I must genotype. This kit is suitable for high throughput genotyping. Customer pain. When I do not see a marker, I do not know if it is absent or if my reaction has failed. We provide universal control primers for each kit. If customer asks, I get poor signal intensity from my DNA or drop out of bands when I multiplex. Robust enzymes used in the kits will solve this problem. Pain point. I use precious or small samples and I need robust and consistent results. Minimal sample input required to set up the reaction. When you approach direct PCR customer, he will have some objections or questions like, if I go to this system, I may have to redesign and re-optimize my PCR protocols. Then you have to answer, we have a very robust online primer design tool to help with that process that is specific to working with the requirements of these enzymes. Also, by taking a little time to re-optimize now, you can ultimately save the resources needed for your sample preparation and gain more confidence in your results. If customer asks, I need to archive my DNA for later use, you can answer, use the dilution protocol. It separates the DNA extraction from the PCR reaction and only adds a single pipetting step. If customer says, how do I know that this kit will work on my specific tissue type? Answer for that is, the kit has been tested and proven successful with a very broad range of tissue types and sample inputs. In fact, we keep an updated list of everything that has been reported to us as being successful. Why don't we go take a look? Our major competitors are CloneTech, GeneScript, Coma Biotech, and Kappa Biosystem. Thermo Scientific Direct PCR Kit has many advantages over competition. Few important points which help you to handle the objection and overcome the competition. Other than Thermo Scientific Direct PCR Kit, no other kit is truly direct. Lysis and PCR occur in two separate tubes. No other kit is optimized for the specific type of sample input: blood, tissue, plant, or human sample. No other kit contains universal control primers. No other kit allows both direct and dilution protocols. We will quickly recap the process. Our target customers for direct PCR kits are genotyping labs, cancer labs, customers who are working with mouse, or almost anyone using DNA isolation upstream of PCR. After finding the target customer, we have to qualify the customer and understand their pain points. If customer has any objection, you can address with unique features of the kit. Before closing the sales call, please ensure that the customer has the correct kit for their sample. Ensure that the customer is prepared for primer design, and circle back to ensure that the customer has been successful.